So I'm waiting for yung grab trike no here at Go Hotel. Wala silang taxi, no, but at least tricycle na grab. So I'm going to PS Bank here in Dumaguete for some bank transactions. Yung that side, no, yung right side na yan is Robinsons Dumaguete. Medyo wala masyado, hindi mo masyado pumapasok yung mga tricycle here. So I'm taking yung I don't know kung e-trike siya, but this is Go Hotel Dumaguete. Tingnan natin. Yung mga tricycle din palang dumadaan dito. Dire na area. Mo na ni? Paingon og Hotel Palwa? Ikaw no? Area. Wala diri, way taxi day diri nga ako nga Grab, tricycle tanan no? Wala pa. Parang yung minimum na booking fare nila is 70, 60 to 70 pesos because yung papunta pa is just an hour, no, from Go Hotel. So this is yung Robinson Dumaguete. So okay na rin, no? For example, marami kayo, 3 or 2 or 3 kasi yung minimum fare is 15 to 20 15 pesos ata first kilometer. They have yung mga grab bike. So medyo maliit lang din yung Dumaguete because yesterday we measured from one end of the diversion road to the other end, mga less than 8 kilometers lang siya, from yung Sibulan point going to yung Bacong area. Ito naman is actually walking distance, no? A kilometer, pero mainit na eh. The fare is reasonable naman.